For years I've been working with automotive AC systems. Persistent frustration stood out to me. Schrader valves and service caps that leak almost all the time. Combined with the plastic caps that can hold the refrigerant in, this leads to refrigerant loss, drivers paying hundreds for repairs, for temporary fixes, and upset customers returning with more issues. But what really bothered me was the environmental damage that the refrigerant leaks contribute to millions of tons of CO2 emissions annually. Something that I knew I had to do something about to leave a better world for my kids and grandkids. One night, working on a Caterpillar track hoe in the middle of nowhere at 10 o'clock, I just finished off getting the air conditioning cold and disconnected my lines in the low side service connection. The Schrader valve was leaking real bad, so it was corroded, rusted. There was no way to change it. The truck had to be operational by 5 a.m. and I didn't have the time to get it done in time. So I took the extra service fitting from my gauges, soldered it closed, and put it on the equipment and filled it from the high side. It didn't leak. A year later, it was still working perfectly. So I got to work in my garage, testing seals, materials, building prototypes, and applied for a patent. My goal was to create a cap that anyone could snap on in seconds to seal the system and protect the environment. We achieved it. AC Quickcaps, a patented universal cap that locks on with a satisfying click, keeping the refrigerant sealed and reducing the harmful emissions. Unlike traditional caps that still leak, just pop it on and help save the planet for future generations. AC Quickcaps, one cap, total seal.